Hello friends, welcome to this video. Here's a comprehensive review of the Oppo Reno 13 5G, covering its unboxing experience, detailed specifications, and pricing in India. Oppo Reno 13 5G, complete review. Introduction. Oppo has introduced the Reno 13 5G, a mid-range smartphone that combines innovative design with robust features. Aimed at providing a premium experience without the flagship price tag, the Reno 13 5G stands out with its unique aesthetics and advanced functionalities. Unboxing experience. The Oppo Reno 13 5G arrives in a sleek, minimalist box reflecting Oppo's commitment to eco-friendly packaging. Inside, you'll find Oppo Reno 13 5G handset, 80W SuperVOOC fast charger, USB-C charging cable, protective silicone case, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide and warranty card. The inclusion of a high-capacity fast charger and protective case enhances the overall value, allowing users to enjoy the device's features immediately. Design and build. The Reno 13 5G showcases a 6.59-inch flat AMOLED display with a resolution of 2760 by 1256 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth performance. Its design features an aerospace-grade aluminum frame and a one-piece sculpted glass back, providing both elegance and durability. The device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i and boasts IP69 certification, making it resistant to dust and capable of withstanding water submersion up to 2 meters for 30 minutes. Performance. Under the hood, the Reno 13 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, built on a 4nm process, delivering efficient and swift performance. Paired with up to 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.0 storage, the device handles multitasking and gaming with ease. Camera system. The smartphone features a versatile camera setup. Rear cameras. 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. 8MP ultra-wide lens. 2MP macro lens. Front camera. 50MP sensor for high-quality selfies and video calls. The camera system is enhanced by AI capabilities, including AI Eraser 2.0 and AI Clarity Enhancer, which improve image quality and clarity. Cadena Ser. Battery life. Equipped with a 5,600 mAh battery, the Reno 13 5G supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging, allowing for quick recharging and extended usage. This combination ensures that users can enjoy their device throughout the day without frequent charging interruptions. Software and features. Running on ColorOS 15, based on Android 15, the Reno 13 5G offers a refined software experience with the latest features and optimizations. The device also supports underwater photography, leveraging its IP69 rating, allowing users to capture unique shots in aquatic environments. Price in India. The Oppo Reno 13 5G is available in India with the following pricing. 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 37,999 Indian rupees. 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 39,999 Indian rupees. The device is offered in two color options, graphite gray and mist lavender. Both variants are available for purchase via Flipkart and Oppo's official online store. Pros and cons. Pros. Premium design with durable materials. High-resolution AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Powerful performance with the Dimensity 8350 chipset. Versatile camera system with advanced AI features. Long-lasting battery with fast charging capabilities. IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. Cons. No wireless charging support. Lack of a headphone jack. price point may be higher compared to competitors. Final verdict. The Oppo Reno 13 5G offers a compelling package for those seeking a premium mid-range smartphone. Its combination of elegant design, robust performance, versatile camera system, and durable build makes it a strong contender in its segment. While it lacks certain features like wireless charging and a headphone jack, the overall experience it provides justifies its pricing. If you're in the market for a stylish and capable 5G smartphone, the Reno 13 5G is worth considering. I meet you in next video. Thanks for watching.